Hello, yeah, again, I guess, you can say, let me tell you a little about myself. Yeah, then let's get started. First, I am 8 years old. Next, I have a cat, and my friend lives across the street from me. Third, I have an Instagram and social media. And by the way, it's Heidi the Cat. Oh my god. Yeah. So yeah. And fourth, school's tomorrow. Wait, what? Well, bye. I'm gonna go finish for school. School sucks. Bye.